Well, guys, it's been quite the day. Yeah, got a phone call from my brother. The goats ended up about a mile south over by his house. The stupid goats. So they broke out of the paddock, which is totally understandable given the current conditions that we've got here. So this is the bale that I fed them that one time before when they broke out, and I fed them by the woods. So they jumped ship from the paddock and they went in the woods on their own again. Goats are just over there to the left. I probably should round them up and bring them over closer to the sheep. But look at this. This is just awful windy and wet, cold snow. And they all ran in here for cover. Got solid northeast wind. 20 mile an hour regular. There's one of the pups. Came with the dogs. And then what else we got? Supposed to get up to 45 mile an hour winds, I think. Wind gusts. So it's cold. Hands are freezing off out here. This is gonna be a very short video. I wish I could have videoed the whole way home running them goats back, but I just can't. Well, folks, thought the video was over, but we're not over. So this is another group of goats. Ended up over at my brother's house again. Must be about probably 20 after 7 or maybe 7:30 by now. Just about dark. Rusty, come by. And yeah, I think this is a totally different group of goats. Boy, you guys are picking some terrible trails. Who was leading you guys? Well, we're in the woods, so I figured it'd be a decent spot to film a little bit for you guys. And yeah, we probably already walked a good half to 3/4 mile already, and we've probably got another 1/4 mile to go. Got to go through this ditch right up ahead. Rusty cut him off there. He's right over where the old line fence is, so we're going to take him right down this ditch and then through the woods and over the other side. Man, it got snowy out. It's unbelievable. This is a second pair of clothes that we're getting drenched with. Yeah, this is just one of those. Rusty, come here. Wait a me. One of those nasty wet spring snows. Well, I guess it ain't quite spring yet. Pretty quick here it will be. And now the goats don't want to go down. Come on, guys. You guys are the ones that led this way. What's the story here? Yeah, let's go that way. Easy, Rusty, easy. All right, here, come by. Away without Rusty, that'd be a tough job to do. Takes a lot of energy out of you walking through all this deep snow. Yeah, they were talking, you know, a foot of snow before, and then they cut her all the way back to about 1 inch, and then it went to 3 to 6 inches storm total, but we got all of 6 now, I can tell you that for free. Stay. Crazy. But yeah, it's just a wet, heavy snow. Lots of accidents on the highways. Definitely not fun. Oh, it's so nice in here though, and boy, if you can see all these trees that are just covered with snow, it's really beautiful. Come by. Oh, here, Rusty, here. Actually, that's not a bad idea. We'll just take them down this ditch and get them right on a trail, and they'll trail pretty much right to where they gotta be. So I guess that ain't too bad of an idea. The reason goats are getting out and the sheep, they didn't have no windbreak or shelter where they were. And I always say, when you get into the woods, it's just like it's your natural barn. It's nice in here. It's just a big sigh of relief. Rusty, come here. Come. There he is. Stay behind, Rusty. Now they're on trail. If they stay on the trail, they should. There'd be a bunch of dumb fools if they go off of it. Steep. We made her. All right, wait a me. Let's take him to the right. Rusty, walk up. Wait a me. Beat him. There you go. Good boy. There. Lay down. Come on, guys. Keep going on the trail. Good. That wouldn't have been fun going through the ditch, although maybe I should have go that way. Maybe I should have. Nope. Too late now. Can hear all the sheep bleating up that valley there. Yeah, they were just taking a long way around by doing this, but at least it's easier walking. Goats are never about taking a trail, I tell ya. Whatever. We're just gonna let you guys go where you want. That'll work. If you guys want to do that, take her to the right and go off the trail. Come by. There you go. Yeah, they hear the other ones over there, so that's why they're almost there, guys. Can hear them all bleating up there. Should really try to bring a bale of hay out for them or something, but we'll see. Yeah, they're all bleating up there. It's been a rough day for them, that's for sure. Fed them all this morning, but all that feed got buried. Shouldn't have fed them so much. I did cut it back, but they probably didn't get her eaten up in time before all the nasty weather came. Normally all the sheep are bedded right there, but sounds like they're all up higher on the hill. Looks like they're all kind of huddled in and around through here. Holy buckets. Them sheep are taking through the snow and eating that old feed that I had out here the last time we got that nasty snowstorm. Unbelievable. They're all finding it. Come on, sheep! Come on, sheep! Yeah! Hey everyone, Jordan Meyer and Natalie Meyer, Wholesome Family Farms. We're out here just after the big snowstorm. We're trying to call the sheep and goats back out of the woods, and we're gonna lead them back to the paddock and hopefully put them away. Come on, goats! Sheep! Sheep! Come on, goats! Come on, goats! Now you can see where they were digging the night before through all the snow. There's feed there from the last big snowstorm and bad weather we had. Come on, sheep! Can't hardly make it through the snow, it's so deep. Come on, goats! Come on, goats! Come on, goats! Come on, goats! Alright, let's hop in here. Come on, goats! Come on, goats! Come on, goats! We're gonna have about a mile-long trail of sheep and goats. Here they come. Come on, goats! Dogs like the snow. Come on, goats! Puppies are coming, the sheep and goats are coming. Good shape. I'm sure Rusty's probably behind them. Tire tank looks really good. They're probably not very thirsty. Yeah, and when you're leading a huge trail of goats like that into a new paddock, it's important to have them go deep into your paddock. Like with the bale, I had them go all the way to this edge of the net and then go, because if I would feed right along that netting over on that side, you'd have goats getting on the wrong side of the fence. That goes with cattle and everything too. They're kind of goofy that way. And we're going around this corner here. We gotta go into this paddock. We have to take this wide too. It's almost like you're pulling a huge, long trailer. You gotta take the corners wide, otherwise you'll be cutting corners. Look at the trail of goats. Maggots! They're still coming over the hill there yet, way back there. These 18-pound bales, they go nice. Switch animals on a quarter-mile cover, maybe. It's good though, then they can all eat it. We'll see what kind of a trail of critters we got here. Yeah, these other bales that are out here from yesterday before we got the storm, so hopefully they can dig through the snow maybe and get a little bit of that picked up, because I like feeding soil, but I don't like feeding it that much. They're looking good though. We're coming through a big snowstorm like that. That was brutal yesterday. That was a hard one to get going. It was so lopsided. Well, they all should be happy. So much hay left out here from yesterday. Look at all that right there under the snow. Yeah, I might just let them have what they've got there and then see what they'll do with the rest of this. It's buried. My goodness, there's still more of them coming yet. Haven't even all got here yet, and I rolled out 2 bales. I don't know what they were doing. Well, we're gonna go over here now and see if we can't find any more sheep or see if they all came or not. It's quite the trail that they made over here. Thought they would have all took the tractor tracks, but they wanted to walk on the level ground, so that's where they ran. Still got some sheep eating the hay that came off when I was cutting the net wrap off.